Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing and I thank all the viewers for liking my videos. Today a question, very interesting question based on combinatorics or binomial coefficients. Can you evaluate 2000 combination 2 plus 2000 combination 5 plus 2000 combination 8 up to 2000 combination 2000? Let's begin. So we know that 1 plus x power n equals to your 1 plus nc1x plus nc2x square ncn x to the power n, or it can be written as k equals to 0 to n nck x to the power k. So now in place of x, once I'll take 1 and once I'll take omega. What is omega? Let omega equals to exponential 2 pi I by 3 or cube root of unity, where omega cube is equal to 1, omega equals to minus 1 plus square root 3 I by 2, and omega square equals to minus omega minus root 3 I by 2, and 1 plus omega square equals to 0. So I'm trying to apply this concept or this facilities here. So first is, in place of x, I'm putting here 1. So 1 plus 1 to the power 2000 equals to summation k equals to 0 to 2000 combination k to 1 power k. Next I'll apply in place of x omega. So 1 plus omega power 2000 equals to k equals to 0 to 2000 combination and omega power k. Now I am multiplying omega in the second expression. So omega times 1 plus omega to the power 2000 equals to k is equals to 0 to 2000 equals to 2000 combination k into omega power k plus 1. In the same way, if I'll write omega square and I'll put 1 plus omega square in place of x omega square to power 2000, it will be summation of k equals to 0 to 2000 combination k. Here it will be omega power 2k plus 2. Then I am adding these three expressions. So 1 plus adding 1 to 3 get 1 plus 1 to the power 2000 plus omega into 1 plus omega 2000 plus omega square into 1 plus omega square power 2000. The expression for first one was summation k equals to 0 to 2000, 2000 combination k into 1, plus second one is summation of k equals to 0 to 2000, 2000 combination k omega power k plus 1 plus summation of k equals to 0, 2000, 2000 combination k into omega 2, twice k plus 2. So we are taking common k equals to 0 to 2000, 1000 combination k taking common. So I'll get 1 plus omega k plus 1 plus omega twice k plus 1. Now 1 plus omega k plus 1 plus omega twice k plus 1, this equals to 0 if k is not equals to 2 modulo 3. Same as 3 if k is equals to 2 modulo 3. So we leave the terms where we are getting not equal to 2 modulo 3 because all will be 0. Only it will be left at 2, then k equals to 2, k equals to 5, then k equals to 8, so on, and last is 2000. This is nothing but your, it will be 3. So 3 times of 2000 2 plus k is 2, then 5, 8, rest will be cancelled because they will be making 0, and last is 2000, 2000 combination 2000. So fortunately this is the question. So 3, this is the question as asked. So this is 3 times of s. We are asked what is the value of this. So 3 times of s equals to 1 plus 1 to the power 2000 plus omega into 1 plus omega power 2000 plus omega square into 1 plus omega square power 2000. And we know that 1 plus omega equals to minus omega square, and 1 plus omega square equals to minus omega. So 3 times of s equals to 2 to the power 2000. This is omega into minus omega square power 2000. The omega square into minus omega power 2000. So this is same as 2 power 2000. This will be omega square, and last one will be omega. 3 times of s equals to power 2000, and omega square plus omega is again minus 1, or s equals to 2 power 2000 minus 1 over 3. So this is your answer. Thank you for watching.